In the CRM, you can automatically and effectively track your sales activities using sales tasks. Let's begin by reviewing the list of companies you intend to engage with today. Identify those assigned to you and that you haven't contacted this week. Click on one of those companies to initiate the task creation process. In the middle of the page, locate the activity logger. Click on Tasks to explore various options. Specify a task title, provide any necessary instructions, and choose the task type, for instance, a call. You can also set a priority if the task is urgent. Once you've created a few tasks that require attention, navigate to the Tasks page. Here, you'll find a list of open tasks assigned to you. Simply click the Start Task button at the top of the page to focus on completing each task one by one, directly from the contact or company pages. Here, you have a task to make a phone call. While the CRM doesn't yet support making direct phone calls, if you are using any dialer software, you will be able to make the phone call directly through the profile page. If you have already set up a Zapier integration to log call activities, call recordings and transcripts will automatically capture in the CRM after the call. Now, you will need to send out a follow-up email. You can send out an email directly from the company profile page once you've set up Gmail or any other email client as your browser's default email client. You can also use Yesware email templates to streamline drafting. If you haven't yet installed the Yesware Chrome extension, you may have access included to Yesware through your Vendasta subscription. Here, you can also add context to a marketing campaign. You will see when the campaigns are sent, received, opened, and clicked through the activity timeline. Creating tasks one by one can sometimes be time-consuming and often leads to inconsistencies. For an advanced approach, consider setting up a task sequence to streamline and standardize processes across the team. Navigate to Automation and click Create Automation. You can reference the available templates for creating task sequences. In this automation, sales tasks are created based on time and the presence of an open opportunity linked to a company. If the opportunity closes, the task creation will also stop.